I'll take a look at the Piscifun Carbon X fishing reel. Just got this in the mail the other day. Opened the box quick, took a peek at it. Very impressed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Velvet bag. Open that up. I mean, this packaging is fantastic. I mean, think about the box bouncing around in the mail. This is going to protect the reel. I've gotten things in the mail similar to this that, you know, the paint's gashed up from being bounced around. Look how beautiful that is. First impressions, this thing is super light. I mean, it's carbon. It's all carbon frame, CNC milled carbon spool. Beautiful. Okay, so in the box, of course, reel. You get the nice handle. This is super light too. The grip on this feels amazing. We'll get into that in a bit. Also in the box, instructions, or a little Ziploc with a couple extra washers, which I believe is the drag washers, replacement drag washers. So that's nice. They give you some spares. They'll wear out in time. And assembly, you got a cap on one side, which can be switched to the other, and the handle can go on either side. This is there it is. It's on. That easy. First impressions here. Oh man, that's smooth. That is smooth. Super lightweight. This is well balanced. This is going to feel great on any rod. That is really smooth. These are sealed bearings. Specs on this are great because they're right on the box. This is the 3000 series. Piscifun also makes this Carbon X in a 500, 1000, 2000, 3000, and 4000 series. And all the specs can be found online when you're ordering. For the 3000, you can see everything right there. The weight on this thing is 8 ounces. 8 ounces without the line, just like it is right here. 22-pound max drag. And I've heard people test these, and they are right on or very, very close to what's advertised, which is phenomenal. 22-pound max drag is fantastic for a 3000 series. 6:1 gear ratio. Double stainless steel sealed bearings. Yeah, fantastic. Triple carbon drag system. Copper ring where your line goes for smooth operation. No drag on that ring with your line. Those the bearings in this line on this thing, and see what it's like. Throw it on a pole. So that was easy. So I'll tell you what, took line great. I got about 170 yards, probably. I'm a little bit over what they say. Pretty full. It takes 165 yards of 20-pound braid, and that's what I have on. Overall, it spooled on really nice, smooth. The action on this thing seems great. I just have it on a old ugly stick. I mean, nothing spectacular. The thing is, it's light. It's light. It's well balanced. I mean, this thing is super light. It's not gonna, you're not gonna get fatigue using this all day because you don't have a big heavy reel right there constantly flipping it around and carrying it. Fantastic. Super lightweight. Overall, right now, highly impressed by this reel. For the price point, for what it is, way ahead of the game. Let's take it out and give it a shot. We got a lot of rain recently. Might go to the river, might be kind of like chocolate milk out there. See what we can do. Maybe I'll grab the canoe and hit a small pond or lake. Haven't decided yet. I'm gonna get some breakfast in me and we'll get out and give this a shot. cast. Oh, that's freaking smooth. Smooth casting. Overall, the Piscifun, I like it. I like it a lot. Very smooth action. Awesome casting. The bearings are super smooth in this thing. Very pleased with this reel, and once again, I do recommend this. 2 thumbs up. As for catching fish, today wasn't that great. I was only out for a couple hours, only had a little bit of time. Last time I was here, I nailed them all day long. A little slow here today. See a couple other people out there not catching anything either, so can't blame the reel, only blame the fish. Thank you. Have a great day.